Welcome to the Turkey Management System. Here is our homepage for our Turkey Management System. Here is our company logo, Turkey Village Agro Fresh Local Good. So here you can see two buttons, login and also the register, and also you can see the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also the LinkedIn. If they want to link with any kind of social media, they can just click here so that it's appear their social media account. So for the first time user, they can register into the system by clicking on the register button. So once they click on the register button, here is redirected to the sign up page where they can enter their particulars about their username, email, password, and select the role. Is they are employee or admin. So if they are employee admin, they can select admin, or if they want to register as an employee, they can register into the system as an employee. So then later they can click on the sign up button. So I already have an account, so I just click login here. So I already created an account with my name and also the password. So I just click on the login. Okay. Once I click on the login button, I redirected to the Turkey Management Dashboard page. You can see that the dashboard, it's shown the key matrices and also the charts, that is the real time, reflect the real time data, and also very insightful for make any decision making, and also have a quick overview of the Turkey management. So here you can see the key matrices on the total turkeys in the pen or coop right now is 63 turkeys. Total sales in units, 15 turkeys has been sold, and also the diseased turkeys 3. So here you can see in the bar chart the type of breeds of turkeys are right now among in the old turkey population. So we got the black Spanish, the hybrid, white Holland, and Narragansett. On the right side, you can see the pie chart shows the gender distributions of the turkeys. And here is the donut pie chart shows the healthy and unhealthy and healthy status of the turkeys. On the right side here, you can see the line chart shows the uh, monthly sales of turkeys in units, and also here you can see the total expenses of the turkeys for the month January. Okay, next, the left side shows the navigation bar. We select the Turkey Management module and click on the subsection Turkey Information. Here is the Turkey Management page where we record all the purchased or hatched turkey into the system. They are assigned specific turkey ID and also the pen coop ID, and we can record the hatch date or birth date of the turkey, the breed types of the turkey, gender, weight in kilogram, age, hatched or purchased. For hatched, we need to record about the parent details, parent hens, and also the parent tom. For the purchase one, we need to record on the purchase date, purchase price, supplier name, and also we need to, for both of them, we need to update the current status of the turkey, it does in pen or diseased. For example, I will show at a turkey. So let's say we purchase a turkey, and the turkey birth date, let's say it's around 3 months old, so the birth date is on 1st October 2024. The age right now reflect here is 3 months 12 days. So I want to keep the turkey into the pen code, which is pen code 3, and also the breed type, select the breed type of the turkey, gender, and also the weight, let's say is 1.2 kg. And here we want to enter about the purchased because we purchased it, and purchase date is today, purchase price is 200, and the supplier name, example Ali, and the current status is in the pen. So submit. Once I submit, you can see the record successfully entered into the system here. is the purchase 3 months and 12 days age of the turkey, and assign their specific turkey ID 69, and also the pen cook ID 003, and also all the particulars entered into the system. Here you can edit it, and also you can delete. Here you also can print the outcomes. By clicking on the print button, you can see the report. So I click on cancel, and okay. Next, I move on to the next module. It is the health management. I click on the navigation bar beside this and select on the subsection health information. Here, once you recorded the turkey in the turkey management, its turkey ID and pen cook ID will appear here, and you can edit and add their health problems, treatment received, and also can update if they are suitable for breeding or not, and also you can assign their health status, either healthy or unhealthy. Okay, once you change it, just click on save changes. It shows the health information update successfully. You click on back. So here you can see that, for example, the turkeys like turkey 00007, the 7 ID, and pen cook ID is 001. Health problem is the leg injury, and the treatment received is bandages and game pain relief meditation. And so once they are in treatment, they are not suitable for breeding, so you updated no, and also the health status is unhealthy. Okay. Here also you can click to print the output. Okay. Next, we look at the vaccination information. Here you can update the vaccination information about the turkeys. For example, here you can see that the last vaccination date of the turkeys, the vaccination cost for the turkey, and the vaccination detail. In this case, the most of them are receiving routine vaccination, and here you can update the upcoming vaccination date also. Let's say here you can update the upcoming vaccination date. Okay, save changes and click on back. After that, in the same health management module, you can click on the vaccination schedule. In the vaccination schedule, you can see the upcoming vaccination date, and they will notify the admin regarding this. So let's say they can see on the calendar the upcoming vaccination date based on month, weekly, and day basis. For this month, they have 2 upcoming vaccination day, which is already passed by, but yeah, we can see that upcoming vaccination date has been shown. Once they click, they can show the information about the turkey ID, vaccination details, last vaccination date, and upcoming vaccination date. Okay. So next is the feed management. I click on the subsection which is food overview. Here you got the overview of the food inventories, and the types of food are recorded into the system, which is according to their food ID, food name, food price, food weight, and growth phases. Here you can add a new food details, and you can delete and also edit. The next one is about the food inventory. Here is where you can add the newly purchased food into the system. So let's say you purchase this dedak pemula ayam daging gold coin 012. The date of purchase is today, and the food price and also the food weight will be extracted from the food overview page. And you just enter the quantity. Let's say you purchase 2 packets of the dedak pemula ayam daging gold coin, and here it shows the expiration date as well. So once you click add purchase, it's already successfully added into the system. So you can see the changes in here. And also you can update the food usage in the subsection. Let's say you can update, you consume the food already. Let's say you already consume 2 kg, you just click on record. It's already recorded and it's also reflected here. Okay, next we look at the fertility management module. Here we click on the navigation bar, fertility management, and the subsection egg and incubator overview. This page is very important because here you can see a chart that shows the incubator temperature level. Here is our main idea where we integrated with the IoT devices to monitor the temperature level of the incubator and ensure that they have the baseline on the optimal temperature, and if they have any irregularities, the system will notify the admin to take actions. So you can see that each of the incubators, we have incubator 1, 2 and 3, and they are dynamically reflecting the real-time data, and they are keep changing for every second. So it's kind of really useful in terms of they want to tracking their fertility of the eggs in the incubator, and also can improve their fertility rates. So down below here you can see about the incubator total eggs inside the incubator 1 and the remaining capacity as well for incubator 1, 2 and 3, same like that. And here you can see the egg overview. You can see that the status of the eggs, you can see the some of the eggs are already passed, so we need to take actions, and shows that some of the eggs they have remaining days like 16 days to hatch and also 24 days to hatch. Okay, so here we click on the manage incubator. We have 3 incubators, 1, 2 and 3. So we can add new incubator here. For example, with a capacity of 100 eggs, minimum temperature would be 35 and the maximum would be 37.5. And active add. Once you add, it's appear here, and also you can see that the added incubator already reflect in this IoT devices incubator charts. Also you can see that the incubator already have 4 right now, and they are tracking the temperature real time. Okay, so as same you can add eggs into the temperate incubator. So for example, incubator 4, you want to enter the egg today, and the date exited will shown, and click on add eggs. So now you can see that we already got an eggs in the incubator 4. So it takes 27 days for a turkey egg to hatch. And here also notification shows that the egg ID, such as the egg in incubator 1, need to be taken out. Here is our fertility management. Next, I will show on the task management module. So as an admin, they can assign feed task, and also assign the cleaning task. For example, now I will show how the assign feed task works. So here, once I click on the assign feed task, here we come the feeding schedule form. Here you can record the employee name. Let's say we only got in the user management, we only got 1 employee. Name is Nafis. So I want to assign a task for him. For assign feed task, I click on the employee name Nafis and PanCoop ID 001. So it shows the number of turkeys in the PanCoop automatically reflect. And also we can select the growth phases, let's say 1 to 2 months, and the food type. So we know that different growth phases have different types of food, so they can select here as well. So now it shows the total feed need 0.5, and also the feeding time, let's say for the morning. So once I click add schedule, it's already assigned task for the employee. Same as well here, cleaning, assign cleaning task. I'm assigning cleaning task for Nafis, the same employee. With the pen coop ID, I want to clean the pen coop 3, need to sanitization, and also the cleaning time around midday, 1 p.m. So I add the schedule, it's always appear here. So, and also the admin can see the task progress here. And next one, you may think that how can the employee can see this. For example, now I will show you. I log out the system, and now I'm logging as an employee. So now fees and password login. Once I log in as an employee, here is redirected to the employee dashboard. Here it shows the welcome Nafis, the employee name. The dashboard of the employee shows the pending feeding task and also the pending cleaning task. And here they can see the vaccination schedule. Just now you see, right, they also can see the upcoming vaccinations date, so they can keep prepared the turkey for it. And also the turkey fertility management, they can also monitor the incubator temperature and manage eggs, and also add incubator into the system. Here is the crucial part where they can see under the task management, which is the task progress. Once they completed the task, they can just click on they has completed the task. So for example, they click on here, so the task is already completed, then they can update their task completed as well. So yeah, so now that's all the function of the employee. And then you can see that they have the role-based access, so they are restricted to certain functions, and they have their own dashboard, and they are limited functionality as an employee. So they just can view, and also they can monitor, and also they can update their task progress. Okay, now I'm logging back as an admin into the system. So now we look at the financial management. This is our last module. So the financial management, here you can see that we can add sales of the turkeys we sold. So here you can see, for example, the turkey 7 has been sold, the breed type, gender, last vaccination date, health status is, and all of this will be extracted from the system, and sales category, price, payment, type, buyer name, buyer contact, and buyer email. We recorded into the system, and also here the remarks and the actions we can edit or delete. For example, I would show that example date. Let's say today I want to add a sale. Here you can see that the sold turkey would not appear. Once, let's say, I sold the 0017 turkey, so here you can see that all of this information extracted from the the turkey management turkey information module. So we just need to select the sales category, live turkey for breeding, and also you can see that it's just only 900 grams. It's too small, so we just sell it for the festival purposes. And also the payment cash, the buyer name, I just put it and submit. Sales added successfully. So now you can see that one already added here, the turkey ID 17, right, just now. So after that, you can see that it does not appear here. It's already sold. And also here you can print the output as well. And here also for the next one is we look at the other expenses. So here we can record the expenses like for the medicine, equipment, and also for the other types of expenses occurred into the system. For example, you can see like equipment expenses, water dispenser installation for 200, price, quantity, total amount, and also the remarks. Here you can also edit and delete the information regarding it. For example, I delete this one. Okay. Next one is the financial report. Here is the very crucial parts where they can print the income statement report for their internal use or for any decision making. They want to see the revenue and how they're performing. So here, for example, they can select for year. I will select the year 2024, and once click the generate report, here you can see all the things will come here. So just by clicking print income statement, the whole things appear with the logo and the Turkey inventory management system, and also they can see the total expenses and also the net income reflects. Finally, that's all from our system. And finally, here one thing the admin can do is the user management. Here it can add employee based on the username, email, password, and also the task rate for them. And also user can edit the information of the user. They can change their role from admin to employee and as well. So let's say I'm changing this to an employee with a task rate of 40 and save. They are considered as an employee right now. So let's say you can see you now can assign tasks from them as well. Okay, that's all from our system. Thank you for listening from us.